Hi everybody, Heather from New Zealand here. How you doing? We're on day 13 of our journey from being overwhelmed to finding order. And today we're going to talk about a daily mission. So if you're ready for a daily mission, and I promise you it won't be mission impossible, it'll be mission very possible, let's get started with day 13. So as always, I hope you've shined your sink, got dressed to shoes, and ready, have ticked some items off your morning routine and got that underway. One thing I love about the control journal is that I don't have to think. I don't have to make any decisions. I have some time to do my house, or first thing in the morning when I'm still a little bit cloudy and groggy, I just look at that journal. What am I doing? Oh, that's what I'm doing. Do it, tick it, done. What am I doing next? Oh, I'm doing that. Do it, tick it, done. I love that. I don't have to waste any mental energy on deciding what needs to be done. And I know if I do my list, then everything will be ticking over and I will be on track for the day. So that's really good. Just like to point out these lovely flowers that my husband bought for me for no reason at all. It was completely out of the blue. He's not much of a flower buyer, but I love having flowers around the house, so it was really lovely to get another little bouquet of flowers there, so I thought I'd include them in the video today. So have you been to the Flylady site? You may have seen on there that they actually have a Flylady app. Now, to the best of my knowledge, it's only for Apple devices, which is kind of a shame. But if you do have an Apple device, you can go on and have a look at what they call their daily mission on the Flylady app. And each day there will be a new mission for you to do. Again, for 15 minutes. This is not a great big job we're setting. The word mission is always too big a word, I think. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start working on those daily missions. Now, don't worry if you don't have the app. You could go to the website and have a look. It would be on there. You could even make up your own daily missions if you like. For me, I like to not make decisions if I can totally avoid it. So what I tend to do is I will go on the app and just say, okay, that's my mission for today, that's what I'm doing, and just go ahead and do it. Put my timer on, and it's a no-brainer, and my house always ends up cleaner at the end of it. So that's what today's about. And before I started making this video, I had a quick jump on and had a look to see what I would be doing today, so I can tell you what the mission is today. Now, I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. If it's not today, if it's another day, obviously it'll be a different daily mission. So you could either do the one that I suggest here, or you could go off and have a look. And what's your one? But remember, the timer, 15 minutes. Start when the timer starts, stop when the timer stops. Even if the job's not finished, remember, you can always go back for another 15 minutes later. So the mission that's on there today is actually cleaning your countertops and also your bathroom sinks. So she wants, we've been cleaning our, giving our sinks a quick wipe, but this is like a proper clean. Like, take everything off the countertop and have some, whatever products you use to clean your benches, I don't know, give them a good clean, maybe get into some nooks and crannies, do as many as you can in the 15 minutes. Also including that in going into your bathroom and giving your bathroom sink and your bathroom countertop a nice clean. Now, if you don't get done what you thought you'd get done in the 15 minutes, it's all good. You can tick that box, daily mission, tick, if you've done your 15 minutes. It's not about whether you've completed it, it's about whether you've done 15 minutes. Okay, you can always go back to it, as I said before. So that's it for day 13, and we'll be on to day 14 before we know it. Tomorrow morning I'll pop up another video. I'm not sure where you are, what country you're in when you're watching this. I'm putting these videos up in the morning in New Zealand, so I don't know if you're in England, you might be getting them in the evenings, which will be kind of strange, but that's okay. You can watch it in the evening and be ready for the next day. And in America, I'm not sure what time you'd be getting it either, so just depends where you are in the world as to when you'll see this video. But I'm putting one up every 24 hours, so you always have your next step waiting for you. And as I said before, please subscribe, push the bell so you know when I've put up a new video and you don't miss out on anything. We don't want to miss out on any of these steps. Follow me on Instagram. I've got the link below, and I'd love to see some of your shiny sinks up there, so we can encourage each other, and any questions as well. I mean, put some questions in the comments below. I'm happy to answer questions about the Flylady system and my experience of it, because I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert on Flylady. As I said, I've just been doing this for 6 months, so I'm learning as you're learning, and if we can help each other, I think that's really great. So yeah, this is my journey of the Flylady, my interpretation of the Flylady. So let's share ideas, let's pool our resources, and if you want to watch the first video again, I'll put a link to that in the description below. I must need a cup of tea. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for day 14. Bye from New Zealand.